We will take serious action. But only thing, government responsibility is more. Not only as an uncle, as a citizen of this country, a common man of this country, we have to go for that. This is shameful issue. I am not protecting any person who is running the government. Government has to take the responsibility to come out the real picture. This boy went and met several Congress leaders. He has hand over that video things to Deputy Chief Minister and his brother.
What action will JDS take on Prajwal Revanna?
Yes. Now, why you have to take the decision? Why you have to take the decision? Any proof is there? We will take it. Don't worry. You don't hurry. We will, because of the moral issue, we wanted to take some decision. But still, videos are there. Any photo of Prajwal is there? But we will not going to take any protection. We will not going to take any protection by telling some reasons. We will take severe action. We will take serious action. But only thing, government responsibility is more.
Sir, I have one question. Do you feel, as an uncle, as a family member, do you feel a sense of shame about this whole incident?
Just a minute, brother. Not only as an uncle, as a citizen of this country, a common man of this country, we have to go for that. This is shameful issue. I am not protecting any person. In this kind of things, we are protested. We have fight against this kind of illegal things. We are not for that. We will going to take
Prajwal
just.
Revanna will be expelled?
Yes,
Prajwal Revanna
yes.
will be expelled?
Sir, Amit Shah said
No,
this is
just
serious
a minute.
issue.
Yeah, though this is serious issue, I know. Who will take action? Who has to inquire it? Government, who is running the government? Government has to take the responsibility to come out the real picture. Whatever is the ground reality, that has to expose by the government, not from me. That responsibility is on the government. Not only that, the video which were released, who are behind in that is more offense. That is more offense.
Sir, Karthik, the driver, has come out and given a statement that there was no intention of him to release the videos. He gave the
Well,
videos.
that's why I am
He gave the
telling
videos to
you.
Devraj. Is
What?
Devraj responsible, sir?
No,
your own ally-
Devraj is not responsible. I know. I have seen his reaction also. This boy went and met several Congress leaders. He has hand over that video things to Deputy Chief Minister and his brother.
You were talking about D.K.
This-
Shiv Kumar, sir.
Huh?
You're making D.K. Shiv Kumar responsible for
No,
this.
Devraj is a responsible advocate. He only yesterday on some channel, he told about, I reveal everything, what are all the developments. He only yesterday in our electronic media, one channel, he exposed. He spoken with that media, he disclosed that cassette was handed over to Deputy Chief Minister before I think 2 or 3 months back.
Sir, do you think D.K. Shiv Kumar
Sir,
is responsible behind this
He
attack?
is the main, if anything moral right is there with Siddaramaiah. He is an advocate, not only a chief minister. If any responsibility is there, he must dismiss this man. Dismiss this man. We will fight it out. The thing is different. Prajwal issue is there or not, that is left to the government to take the decision. Just a minute. Take the decision, that is the responsibility of the government. We will not protect even if this has happened, we are not going to protect even our Prajwal Revanna MP. But in this issue, they will not take any decision. I know why these people several times they have done like this. D.K. Shiv Kumar. Their only intention is to malign our family. Not only that, they bring the name of the Honorable Prime Minister in this issue. What is the Prime Minister's role in this? Here, they wanted to finish JDS. They wanted to get more seats. First, when was released? This pen drives in Asan. When they released? On what date they released? 21st. They released that pen drive. Why they released that 21st? Before going to poll, 5 days back they released. What is their intention? their intention is not to protect the interests of the women. Their intention is to destroy BJP JDS alliance. That is the only that is the only their intention.
Sir,
Their
So
intention.
are you saying that DK Shivkumar is responsible and the chief minister
No,
should sack him?
that is I am demanding Chief Minister refer those issue also to SIT.
Sir,
Sir,
is
you
there,
know, I
is there
have
no
one
moral
question.
responsibility?
Huh?
sir?
You know, let's
is there
leave-
no moral
No,
responsibility
we
of
are
ours, sir?
no, we are
Activists are
we are.
saying December they sent you letters. Activists in Hassan are saying December they sent you letters not to give ticket to Prajwal Revanna.
Whom? Whom?
Activists to you, JDS
Yeah,
party to you,
who
sir.
activists?
Sir, activists
Nobody.
in Assam.
Just a minute.
Is there
Just
no
a
moral
minute. Just
responsibility on
a
your part,
minute. Nobody has disclosed anything about Prajwal Revanna. Nobody has written letter to us. There is no issue from with us actually at that time when we allotted the seat. There is no person. They have not complained against him, his activities.
Oh,
This is the real fact.
sir, my one question. Have you discussed this issue with Deva Gowda ji? Is it not something that can destroy the family's reputation?
No,
irrespective of
yes,
who is
that,
leaked, what
just
is
a
happening?
minute, brother. This is the manipulation of Congress to diminish, destroy the image of the family here. The way in which the Congress friends, they are alleging towards our family. You can see it. What is the role of Devegowda ji, or what is the role of myself in this incident? We are not responsible for all those things. That is individual issue of Prajwal Revanna.
Okay, have you spoken to
discuss.
Prajwal Revanna?
No, I am not in contact with him. I have no contact with him.
Shouldn't he be brought before the law? Shouldn't
FIR
he be brought before the law? Shouldn't he return
That
immediately?
responsibility is the government, not my responsibility. It is the responsibility of this government.
Sir, FIR registered accused number 1 is HT Revanna also, sir. Are you taking any action
Okay.
against HT Revanna?
No, what is
Why
the
only
charge of?
why only
What is
action
the
of this
charge
Prajwal?
of? No, just a minute. Why you so hurry?
No, sir,
Why
I'm
you
asking
so
this.
hurry?
No problem, sir. Go ahead.
This kind of thing, anybody, any party has taken any decision, but morally we are decided to take some decision. That is the difference of our party's decision and other the Congress party decision.
What is that decision?
Several issues. We can quote how these Congress friends they behaved. Several issues. But here we will take the responsibility, even though we are not party to all these things.
So he will be expelled.
Huh?